Hello crafty friends, I'm here to show you guys the mini house that I built. My first time building a DIY miniature house from Real Life. And look at it, it's so pretty. It's very tiny. It's the size of my hand and I have a small hand. And yeah, I had a little bit of trouble. I broke a piece, like the little wheel from this one. Well, that was the only problem, or the only issue that I had, but besides that, everything was put together. Yeah, it's kind of easy, difficult, but it took me 3 hours. Oh, my leaf, there was a leaf there and probably fell off when I brought it up here. But yeah, it took me 3 hours to finish this, and now I wanna go ahead and do a book nook and see if I can finish it before I go back to work. But let me know what you guys think. I really love how it came out. For now it's under my sewing machine, but I'm gonna have to find a spot for it. Thank you for watching. Bye.